So we now know there is no perfect recipe for a personal brand. The reason is because it's personal to you, which basically means that अगर मैं Elon Musk की सारी कहानियां, उसका जो point of view है, जिस तरीके से वो ट्वीट करता है, अगर मैं उसमें से उसको हटा के किसी और इंसान पे जाके रख दूँ तो उसमें फिट नहीं आएगा. That's a definition of a good personal brand. हमारे जमाने में हम एलिवेटर पिच प्रैक्टिस किया करते थे. आप लोग बड़े फॉर्चुनेट. आई कीप सेइंग दैट आई एम एनपीएस ऑफ द यंग एज, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ब्यूटीफुल स्किन बट बिकॉज ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट दे हैव. हम एलिवेटर पिच बनाते थे. आप लोगों के पास अभी ट्विटर बायो और लिंक्डइन समरी है दैट टीचेस यू हाउ टू condense your personality into 2-3 lines. So my recommendation to you would be to practice and make it perfect. But whatever you put in there is something that should be relatable. तो अगर मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप अपने ट्विटर बायो के अंदर डालते हैं कि जी आई एम अ बिरयानी enthusiast and then you're not posting about biryani. I hope everybody knows why I'm referring to biryani, because Amber Naqvi is breaking the internet over his post. Who all has seen it? Raising hands. Do we all know about Amber Naqvi's biryani post? Ramsha, yes. No. Faiza, okay, there you go. Shireen, you guys are a little shy. Okay, so check it out. If you're from Karachi, you love the 8 kinds of biryani. So again, if you have something like that, and then you don't live up to that expectation in your social mentions, in your posts, in your likes and retweets, bit of a disconnect. So I think somebody mentioned consistency. Zara, I think. So she mentioned the fact that they have to be consistent. This is really the cornerstone of your personal brand. अच्छा, हम personal brand बनाते क्यों हैं? Personal brand बनाते हैं trust to credibility buy करने के लिए. So if you are doing some work in the female health space, for example, and then you comment or post reckless stuff about Pinktober, there will be a problem. So consistency is literally the most important cornerstone of building a personal brand, because if you're not consistent, you will not be able to stay authentic. अच्छा, authentic होना भी उसकी भी बड़ी definitions है. It's about being woke. It's about being true to yourself. I think authentic is about consistency, very closely related, because अगर आप एक fake persona बनाएंगे ना, there's only so much farther you will go. कहते हैं ना, झूठ के पाँव नहीं होते, तो बहुत ज्यादा देर वो नहीं चल पाएगा. So if you create a persona which is not very close to your real true self, you might have trouble.